BTP, Big Business Technology for Small Business.
Good morning, welcome to BTP, Michael Jenkin here. Just wanted to touch base. Yesterday we were out in the country. Yesterday we were out amongst the vineyards, looking at the winery, looking at their IT, small business. Today we're on the way to a trucking company that transports food across the Nullarbor, across Australia, across everywhere. Awesome, so diverse, big difference in between those two companies. Also we see accountants and lawyers. We also see manufacturers. We see all kinds of things. BTP, we don't specialise in a particular field. If you're a doctor, accountant, if you make a product, if you're a mechanic, a plumber, give us a call. We look after all small business. We've got experience that ranges across many different businesses. We see all different types of computers. We've even seen them with their tops off and full of grease. We've seen them full of wood shavings. We've seen them shoved under desks getting hot. We've seen all kinds of stuff. So look, here at BTP, we look after all small business. Doesn't matter who you are. We'll come out to you. We'll come and see you, whether you're in the country or in the city, whether you're in the back shed or you're in the 10th floor of a building. We're here to come and serve you. So look, if you know someone who needs our services, flick this video to them, give a comment, share it out there, and maybe we can come and see you or see them very soon. Have a great day.